Hi, this is David Cochran, and today I'd like to show you how to use Firebug in Mozilla Firefox to speed up your learning of JavaScript. I've got an open empty window of Firefox, and I've already installed the Firebug add-on. If you haven't done that yet, go ahead and do it and then come back. Once you've got it installed, you'll find this handy little icon to open your Firebug, and you may be used to working with the HTML or CSS tab in Firebug. Today we're going to shift over to the console. And initially it looks like this, and all it gives you is a handy line down at the bottom to type in a single line at a time and then hit enter. So we can do things like 3 times 3 and hit enter. JavaScript runs and gives us the result. You can test any single line of code very simply using that. Now if you'd like to enter multiple lines of code, there's a great way to do this in Firebug. We've got a little arrow over here on the bottom right. And so if I simply zoom back in over at the bottom right, you'll find this little arrow. And you may find that initially this pane is a little bit narrower. And I like to drag mine a little bit wider here. And I've got a couple of lines of code already loaded up in my clipboard, so I'm going to paste the first one here. Here I'm asking the user to type in their first name with one line of JavaScript, and I can run that. So I'm going to click run, and I can type that and hit enter just like you would in a real JavaScript application. And then if I want, I can add something to do with that. So I'm going to now enter a second line of code, hit enter, and add this alert that gets that variable from the first line and uses it here in the second line. And I can run that as well. Click run, type my name, and now it gives me the response. So there you go, Firebug, to speed up your learning of JavaScript. Enjoy!